All right, folks, good morning. Crazy morning. And believe it or not, it's kind of a beautiful morning now. It's already like 82 degrees at 5:30, but I am the only, sorry about the noise. The camera's probably fogged up. I'm literally the only boat at Max Kentucky. Sorry about the squeaking and stuff from turning the camera, but that's crazy to me. So either we're gonna have a real good 4 or 5 hours, or we're gonna just be a waste of time and I'm gonna delete this. But I was shocked that I am the only boat here. Absolutely shocked. Even with the heat, you'd figure people be out early, but I'm the only one. So it's a little calm right now. Let's go fishing. Let's see. We got like 4 or 5 hours before it gets way too hot to stand. So let's see what happens. There's one. Little small jaw, probably barely a keeper, if at all. Yeah, 12-incher, still fun. There's one on this hot morning. You wouldn't expect a spinnerbait, but they're chasing shad, and this is kind of a smaller spinnerbait. So I figured I'd chuck it while I'm floating. There's a good one. Don't jump. Might be a largie because it's not jumping. Might be a good size one. Medium rod though, so it's probably just a 15-incher, but I'll take it. Ooh, it's a good fight. It feels heavy, I ain't gonna lie. It's a nice smallie with some weeds is all it is. No, it's a largie with some weeds. But like I said, about a 15-incher, but I'll take it for sure. He's fat and healthy. Right out of the weeds. It's bigger than I thought. Not putting anything in the live well today, it's just too warm out. That's a healthy fish, we'll take it. We got 2 already within 20 minutes. That's about a 2-pounder, maybe just a little under. We got one on a spinnerbait and one on a little curly tail, so we'll see. There we go. Nice fish. That's a solid 14.5, 15-inch smallie. So now we've got 4 fish, 4 different ways: chatterbait, spinnerbait, Senko, and a curly tail. That's a better one. That's a 2+. Here comes a walleye troller, but that's a 2+. Another one on the chatterbait. He needs to eat some more. He's real skinny. He probably barely 2, but he could be 2+. Another good one. I don't want to risk losing this one like I did the last one. Another 2-pounder. This is the most aggravating thing in the world because tournament day I can't seem to find these guys. But I can find them anytime I want to, recreational fishing. Oh, he's bleeding. There's another 2-pounder. Had a little deep, I got to get him back pretty quick, right behind the tongue. He swam off good, but we'll see how he does. Oh, that's a good one. Good one. Figures. This is actually making me aggravated because tournament day, like I said, you've seen my tournament, well, I don't do tournament videos, but you've seen my tournament post probably. I can't catch nothing but little skinny 14-inchers. That's just a simple little 3-inch Kitech. Another unhealthy guy. Really unhealthy, and he's been caught a couple times, but close to 2. He's probably 16 inches, but you can see he's thin as paper. Let's get him out of here. That is 6 or 7 fish on 5 different baits. We caught him on a wacky, we caught him on a curly tail, we caught him on a chatterbait, we caught him on a spinnerbait. What else did we catch him on? Caught him on the little Kitech there. So just finding a couple aggressive ones on weed lines. Nothing impressive. Nothing you wouldn't normally do. I've only been here about an hour. I mean, as soon as it touched the water. Big old fat red eye. Be a giant disappointment to come out here and not catch a couple of those. Honestly. There we go. Nice fish too. I don't know if it's a walleye, probably a walleye, but I don't care at this point. He smoked it, whatever it is. Oh yeah. Tiny, tiny, tiny largemouth. Of course, never right. Tiny largemouth. I'm embarrassed to even show it. Smoked it. Much, oh, easy, much better fish. Little smallie. Gonna break every hook I got, dude. Solid 14-inch smallie. Nothing impressive, but fun on a medium rod and jerkbait. What the fuck? You got the whole fucking lake. That's a good fish. That's a good fish. Stay down, stay down, stay down, stay down, stay down, stay down, stay down. Not huge, but good. Needed this. Got a lot of weeds with him. Feels bigger than he is. He's not small though. That's I'm sure of. Another fish I can't catch in a tournament. Oh, yeah. This would have got us into the money. Whoa, 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 easy, 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 easy. This would have got us into the money. That's 3+. Oh man, the tournament was just a last weekend, and we turned in 7 pounds like usual. Oh, I think I'm the curse. I swear. That was fun. That was really fun on a medium rod. 3-pounder on a medium rod. I'd say any 2.5 to 3. That was a big fish for Max. I'll take that any day of the week. Now look how far away he is now, and I'm only 10 yards past the point where I was fishing earlier. Why the hell did he make me yell at him? Dude was within 25 yards of me. Another different bait. We got the drop shot this time. Nice fish. Oh, the camera ain't gonna be able to see me landing, but that's okay. You can hear me. Solid. 15-incher. Not bad. Drop shot that time. Had to go deeper. Look how healthy. Now, if the 2 big long ones that I caught were shaped like this guy, we'd be in good shape. But either way, we've got over 10 pounds because it's not a tournament day.